How to replace green screen in CapCut. Hey guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you replace green screen in CapCut. So let's get started. On this process, at first you'll have to open the application CapCut. Alright, so after you open the application CapCut, you'll got such interface. So from your you'll have to choose your project, or you can add a new project where you want to replace the green screen. So I'm opening a project here. Alright, so after you open the project, you'll got such interface. So from here at the bottom of your screen, you'll got options like overlay. So simply you have to tap on that option. Alright, from here tap on add overlay. And now from here you'll have to select your green screen video. So you have to select it. And now from here tap on add. Alright, so after you add that green screen video, you'll have to just adjust it by its size, or you can adjust it by its timing and resolution. So from here you'll have to set it, and after you done this, you'll have to just swipe right from the bottom and go the options like remove bg. So simply tap on this option, and now from here tap on chroma key. Okay, so from here you'll have to drag on the green part, and from this interface you'll have to decrease or increase the intensity as your label, which will match on the your video. So from here you'll have to match on your video. So from here you can see this, that how it works. From here you can set your intensity. So after you set it, you'll have to just tap on the done option. Alright, so as you can see, I have successfully removed the green screen in CapCut. So here is the demo. Alright, so in this way you can also replace the green screen in your CapCut. So this is the easiest and simplest method. Hope you found this video helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.